Oh, what just fell? Something just fell.
I feel like I'm gonna die.
That's horrible.
Maybe stop laughing.
What?
Maybe stop laughing and go, oh. See, Ryan gets it. Me so.